Hello, it's Todd again here from Wild Song Ranch. Have a project I'm going to show you today. Going to be repairing our entry road into the ranch. So this road, it's just a dirt road. The rain, the snow, causes a number on it, lots of potholes. Basically once every 2-3 months, have to go out and just kind of re-level it again and get it back up to snuff. So I will show you the tools I use to do that and give it a go. The main tool here is actually this land leveler, but we'll look at it here a little bit closer. And then I'll show you some of the potholes. And then we'll just show you exactly how I go about leveling it with this particular equipment. There's definitely better equipment out there, but this works for our needs. So we'll show you this land leveler that I bought from Skid Pro. Basically, it's got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scarifiers, as well as just kind of a cutting blade on the front. And it's got a little bit of a cutting blade here on the back as well. So if I'm going back, I can cut into the ground a little bit, in front, cut into the ground. And these scarifiers are hydraulically controlled, so I can push them down, dig into the ground, help get all the gravel moving around, dirt moving around. I fix those potholes up as I level it. So you can see that in action here shortly. But I also wanted to just show you on the road up ahead some of the issues that we're going to be dealing with. See the side here on the left, it's kind of falling apart, water has been going through it. This pothole right here definitely gives you a good bounce. Now's a perfect time to come and do this though. As you see, it's still slightly damp here on the edges, but it's not muddy all over. It had been muddy previous to this. More tearing up of the road right here. And you'll see up at these trees up ahead is kind of the worst spot. This area in here that's still damp because of the trees gets the worst because it stays damp so long. So little potholes there. And some of the worst ones, definitely right here at the end. You can see that's definitely not level. We'll work it all the way up to the street here and get this thing done. Let's give it a go. Okay, so that's about all we're going to be doing today on this road. There's this low spot still in here that I need to bring in some more material to fill, but the road looks pretty good, at least compared to what it was. Cars are not going to be bouncing on it, at least for the next couple months. I'm probably going to order some materials to fill in this low spot, and we'll go from there. Until next time, thanks for coming.